Being locked down at home was super boring. Now the muscle hatch is finished. It's ready to race. Hopefully these sheets will come off sometime next year. So I was looking for a job to do on the muscle hatch. Any job, even a little one, because you guys want more DIY car race build videos than I can make. One of the European Hillclimb cars I love to watch and hear is this 650 brake horsepower Judd V8 Mercedes-Benz. Insane. This is a no money and no research spared, state-of-the-art Hillclimb car. Then I noticed it had secondary winglets on its rear diffuser. Hey, I can take advantage of their aero testing and copy that. I sculpted 4 winglet dies and then made fiberglass moulds of them. You couldn't make these winglets well with carbon fibre without vacuum bagging because of these compound curves and their sharp edges. But the weight difference on these small parts in fiberglass will be 2 parts of bugger all. So I'm going to make them. That's it. The mussel hatch is finished. Job done. And I've got nothing left to do in my shed except this. Underneath all this junk is my mostly built off-road racer. It's almost a roller. All it needs is engine wiring, coilovers and brake lines. Look what I found. With no budget, but all the time I need, I reckon I can get this baby finished in about a year. Buried deep in my shed are a number of new parts ready to go onto it. Somewhere in here there's one of two brand new aluminium radiators. So here we go again. The Raptor build is back.